And now one thing where we go know say to work na one thing and to get experience na one thing. Hi guys, welcome to Joyful Baby Care. I said thank you to those that subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I said thank you for those ones where we say never see subscribe, but what you dey wait for? Kindly hit the subscribe button and on your notification bell, so when Joyful Baby upload new video or come live, you will be the first, because we get many story where we want to talk. But this one, when I want to chook my mouth put now, be that video where they go on viral now about a lady when they wash something, then the old woman they throw spit for her face. Man, guys, this is the kind. Now one thing where we go know say to work now one thing and to get experience now one thing, because most of us when no go school, because I go put myself for most of us when no go school for year, when we no get experience for work. Now wetin we go dey, now wetin they see na be that one. So because there is that girl for keeping that woman quiet, that is not the job they pay her for. Or make she dey clean, not only the job they pay her for. Before I go proceed, make I talk this one. That woman they suffer from that Simon. And Simon na sickness wey be say they work, they make the brain work again. They think well again. Anything when they see, now bad things they see for face. Different things for night they see for face. And you know why? Before I go proceed again, make I talk another thing. For that girl to put camera for that woman, she can easily lose her job. Yes. Because no be that one they send her make she go do. True, sorry say I talk like that, so no be so, because I don't come across people like that woman for this Italy, and I stay with them for about, if I'm not mistaken, 8 years. Because this sickness one I see, so that one as they see for there, so now small one, the one where she no put 9 many pass. Their Simon he get grades. But they see dementia. Once he don't dementia, he don't marry, he know they work again. But if he never reach like that, dementia, then they give them small tablets to calm her down. Now this kind of people, they're full Nigeria, we don't know. Now we they call winch. People will say now winch, now winch. No, now I ignorant. Now I don't make us know what they pass through. You go say that they beat, best you go they beat in mama, you go say now winch. No, because you go they talk what you not supposed to talk what you know did this life again. Talk past tense things. They know they talk. They know they talk about present again, because their brain know they work well. I don't feel work with this kind of people. Not be even work safe. I don't live with them for 9 years. The woman now small she takes that. First of all, she felt they say person they enter her house. Person they enter her house. Nobody they enter her house. Oh, somebody they enter her house. And always she they stay. She go hide money. She no go remember when she hides her put again. She go say na thief come thief her. Now so they come look the woman, they come say only she no go fit stay, because she go even put food for fire, the food go burn, she no go remember. So when the thing don't they go forward, they can't see her like that. Now they can't say this kind of thing, she no go fit stay alone. Now they can't say make the children find somebody to stay with her, or one of the children should come and stay. And the children, they cannot stay because they no fit pass that stress. When you see say that girl they pass, so they go employ person put. And those kind of people where they employ put, you must get experience more for all those kind of things. If not, you go you go suffer put. So ask me how that woman come today. I dey bath the woman, I dey take care of the woman. If you see the woman, it can't change when I dey stay with her. But when e dey take her tablet, oh, but time to go. Now so the woman dey worse, dey change. This woman, she go over shit. For am to over shit for toilet, e go shit for that one where they wash body, because the brain no dey move again. You go come see me. When e don shit for that place where they wash body, e go come take him hand, push shampoo for inside, go come cover that hole. E go come open water. Before you know, everywhere go full for water. I go clean. My sister, suffer dey for abroad, oh. Suffer dey for abroad. I go clean now, put everything in order. I can't dey wash the woman before I can go report. Say, see wetin the woman they do. They come buy bed. For night, you go wake up and no go know. They come buy bed where get iron, so that she no go feel the conda. They do those rubbish. You get one story when I want give now. This woman, one day I come dey pass. I dey hear smell shit. Now say, where smell shit dey? I no see where shit dey. Me no say cupboards where they put all this broken plate. Now there the woman just hide one big sheet put, and the sheet don't even dry. Now they smell for everywhere. I carry and go through, yeah. The one where this woman can't do, where come make us the lock door, not the put key for the mouth. It take leg, it come up for us, nobody see am. 2 days with the final. We can't go report to police. The third day, now they can't go see am for another village. They can't carry and come back because he don't know what they do. This kind of women, they need love. If you dey aggressive to them, hey, they go do you shaky. It might be that girl, if they live video not do anything, but if that live video not there, he go dey aggressive to that woman. That makes you say that woman they treat her like that. So I'm telling you, those people, they don't need aggressive at all. He get the particular one when he do, when surprise me. No, in fact, they come tell us say, make we comot some things for the house, it's too much. The moment we come, they comot things for the house, they dress some Amadio fridge. Now we can't see where this woman they hide money. This money where don't talk say don't lost ever since. Money where when we see was going to almost 5,000. Jesus. The woman no. The woman say no be her own. Na person I can't hide that for there. Before we call the children. Newspaper. Now say go they hide money for newspaper. Not many newspaper they throw away. We don't say money they inside. My sister, if I say make I dey talk the story too much. So those things where you see, so where would they see say they happen for that video where we just see so that video that they look for also. Not be the woman clear eyes. Me will not justify the woman for what we see. Now the Simon, now the warrior. That girl not supposed to put her for live video. No, it's not supposed. Because it not go solve the situation. Now she accept the work. If she no say that work be like that, she not supposed to do it. It take patience to work with those kind of people. When I come to say I not fit again, I can't call the family. They can't got to carry this woman go put for hospital where they take care of this kind of people. We can't they go greet her. Now last and this kind of people they have to they last reach 200 years old. This kind of people, you know why? They know they think again. Their brain know they work again. Then they last pass. Now they live long pass. It was last year, March. Now that woman can't give up. He just sleep, no wake again. Before we can go bury him. So I beg that video what would they watch so I not say no be the right thing, but that woman is not with her senses anymore. We don't with our senses anymore. But the video make many people still get experience say that kind of work there. because they say na where person dey work na dey mioya. That girl supposed to go, is supposed to go more training on for her work. I decided to change my own work because I can't again. You go see some people, you go dey tear tears. You go dey tear tears for eye because of wetin you dey see. Amen. Those kind of people that they put them for a casa de repose. If you go a casa repose, now you go know what they do for there. You go see the kind of people when they see. Now those kind of people, now they see that they say winch. No. Oh, abroad, abroad. Now it is different for us because their own, they go more details about if person know anything where they do person for this life, they go more details to know what is the what did they disturb them, what did they do them. That woman, I did very sorry. So there are many things when I for like talk, but make I end that here. I don't want to make the video too long. If you never follow this page,